Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you who keep coming and who keep coming to watch my videos from beginning to the end. Thank you all. I appreciate all of you. So today we're going to be making egusi soup, the popular Nigerian egusi soup. Egusi is actually made out of melon seeds. Yes, melon seeds. So these melon seeds, I'm going to just blend it off camera with some onions and just a little bit of liquid. And the cooking process begins. This is my oil. I already dropped it in the soup. So I'm just dropping the already blended egusi with onions and a little bit of water. I'm just dropping it into my pot. There are so many methods of preparing egusi soup, but this is one method I'm going to be showing you. All I'm trying to achieve here is I want to just fry it and all the liquid comes off. So as you can see, it's already dry. This is the consistency I'm looking for. So now it's time to incorporate the chicken stock that I have in the fridge. I just dropped some snails into it, as you can see. And now I already cut up some bell peppers. I like seeing those red bell peppers inside my soup. And now I dropped some chicken stock. So I'm going to allow that to melt in and just cook along with the melon soup. So this is a mixture of blended crayfish, bell peppers, and scotch bonnet pepper. Like I said, a lot of people have different methods of cooking egusi soup. So this is one of the methods. So I'm going to let this cook till the chicken stock melts in the soup. So this is it. I'm adding my knorr cubes at this moment. And then I just added some bitter leaves with some salt. And this has been cooking for the past 10-15 minutes. And our soup is almost ready at this point. So I'm just going to stir it again before I add some already roasted chicken to it and some collard green vegetable. Thank you all, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye for now.